Today we are making the world's best butter chicken recipe. So here, 3 pound of boneless thigh meat. I told my butcher to cut it into small pieces, so he did that. This is 3 pounds of boneless thigh meat. I added whole yogurt, 4 spoons of whole yogurt right on top of it. Okay, this is garam masala. I'll add at least 2 spoons of garam masala on the 3 pounds of boneless chicken with 4 spoons of yogurt right in there. This is cumin powder. This is like 1.5 tablespoon of cumin powder right on top of it. This is turmeric powder. I'm adding half spoon of turmeric powder on it. This is red chili powder. You can use Kashmiri or you can use any kind of, but do use red chili powder. Whole 1 big spoon of red chili powder. This is Indian recipe. They love spices, bro. So we have to work with the spices and the flavors all at once and the colors, you know. So here I have coriander powder, 2 whole grounded coriander powder. We will add all right on top of our boneless chicken thigh meat. I just need 1 hand with the glove. You're not adding any salt at the moment. Okay, I'll tell you why. Okay, mix all the ingredients nicely. This is butter chicken. The turmeric, the cumin, the garam masala, red chili. Made sure all the chicken, the 3 pound of boneless thigh meat of the chicken is covered with our seasonings. We will leave our chicken right now at this point at least for 10 minutes. We will heat up our pan. We will take the desi butter. Butter chicken has to be cooked in the butter. So I'm taking all whole 1 stick of butter. Frying pan. There's a whole big stick for the 3 pound of chicken. First thing is right now to cook our chicken, which we marinated with all the seasonings for the butter chicken recipe at least for 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been 15 to 16 or 20 minutes maximum. Our chicken looks like this after adding all our ingredients. The sauce is got thickened up. The chicken looks, 80% cooked. So what we will do, guys, we will take another spoon and we will scoop out our chicken and we will put it right here in our marination bowl. So in the meantime, you know what we did? We made some garlic and we made some onions. These were all made in a juicer. You know, add some water, add for the 3 pound of chicken, add at least 10 cloves of garlic and 1 whole onion. And here we are scooping out our chicken, the butter chicken. Take a look here. We are leaving all the sauces and the butter right here in the pan. We just need the meat to be out of the pan. This is all what we need. Wow, it smells so good with all homemade spices. This butter chicken is a bomb recipe, I can tell you from now. So all our chicken is out. We will take our garlic, 10 cloves of garlic. We will add it right here. 1 whole onion with some water, blend it in your juicer, add it right here. Give it a stir. So we need 1 whole can of tomato sauce. Give it a stir. So at this moment, guys, we will cook this sauce at least for 10 minutes on a high flame. You know, this is butter chicken. We just need to make sure all the seasoning, all the flavors, they just stay in here. Take a look here, how beautiful colors they have. It has the red, it has the yellow, it has the orange at the same time. So our butter was salted butter. We put the whole stick for the 3 pound of chicken. We will add just half tablespoon of salt right here in our onion, garlic, and tomato puree. After 8 minutes of stir frying our onion, garlic, and fresh tomatoes, or you can use the tomato puree what I used in here. We will add our chicken right back in. So this is whole 3 pound of chicken goes back right in. Okay, this is the butter chicken. Just reminding you guys, with the sauces it looks so delicious. So here, take a look here, we have a dairy cream. We will take a whole pack. This is 200 ml of the dairy cream for the 3 pound of chicken, right? Okay, we will add it here. A real butter chicken recipe. You cannot cook butter chicken in any kind of oils or any kind of ingredients and call it a butter chicken. Take a look here how the curry is changing color. Isn't it creamy? Isn't it yummy? Isn't it delicious? It is, for sure. So we are 80% done with our recipe at this point, guys. We will medium cook this. Check the salts. Yeah, malicious. Check the salts. For me, the salts are okay. I can add a little more later on, but for me, the less salt it is, it's way better for the 3 pound of chicken. Okay, so for the next 10 more minutes, we will cook this on a medium flame and let it settle to a final position. Friends, it's been almost 15 minutes. We have been cooking our butter chicken. The best ever recipe, the best ever searched recipe in the human history. It's right here. It's all done. We'll turn off our stoves. So this will be our dish out. And here you go. Take a look here. How creamy and juicy it looks. For all of this hard work, we have finally came to a decision. Damn it, it's so hot. There is no extra oils in there. There is nothing unhealthy about it. This is all natural butter chicken in a handi. This is what they say, a handi. And here you go, the biggest piece right here. Some more sauce. We'll put some more sauce right on top of it. Some couple more pieces just to top it off. Here you go. This is our, again, the cream. This is all for the dressings, and it's a heavy cream, so just make sure you don't put it too much. I'll just add one more layer on the outside. Okay, is this a perfect circle? Oh yeah. We have some cilantro. I'll dress with some fresh cilantro, some fresh chilies. So here you go, guys, your beautiful Butter chicken recipe, homemade from scratch. It's ready. This is the best ever recipe of the butter chicken. Okay, here is our first bite. Our first bite with the garlic naan and the butter chicken. Okay, I need a fork. So here it goes with the chili in there. Oh yum. Let me dip it in some sauce. It has a cream, and here you go. This is so rich. Wonderfully done, easy to make. 45 minutes is the maximum. Do try this recipe, butter chicken with the garlic naan. Yummy. Homemade red meat with all the spices, with everything you ever wanted is right here, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself, subscribe the channel, like the video, and bye bye for now.